वेलकम बैक डियर स्टूडेंट्स। कल हमने स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया पढ़ा था। उसमें हमने पढ़ा था इन लास्ट में इन यंग एंथर ए ग्रुप ऑफ कंपैक्टली अरेंज्ड होमोजीनियस सेल्स कॉल्ड स्पोरोजीनस टिश्यू ऑक्यूपाई द सेंटर ऑफ ईच माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया। ये मैंने फिगर दिखाई थी तुम्हें। दिस इज द मास ऑफ cells which is called sporogenous tissue. It is diploid in nature. Then when the anther mature, जब anther mature हो जाता है, this sporogenous tissue which is also called pollen mother cells, or you can say which is made up of pollen mother cells. When anther matures, these pollen mother cells undergo meiosis to give rise to tetrad structures. Means one pollen mother cell give rise to one tetrad that is made up of 4 cells which all are haploid. ये सभी haploid होती हैं but they are connected together, that is why they are called tetrad. When this further matures, they dissociate. ये जो 4 cells हैं they dissociate from each other. इनको हम माइक्रोस्पोर्स बोलते हैं. They dissociate and now they are free microspores, or they are called pollen grains. So they develop into the pollen grains. ये हमने यहाँ लिख भी दिया. As anther develop, the cells of sporogenous tissue undergo meiotic division to form the microspore tetrads. These tetrads later on dissociate from each other and develop into pollen grains or microspores. Now we come to next question, that is define microsporogenesis. This process जो अभी हमने पढ़ा है, that is formation of microspores from pollen mother cell through meiosis is called microsporogenesis. Formation of microspore from a pollen mother cell through meiosis is called microsporogenesis. It is the process by which the diploid pollen mother cells they get converted into haploid pollen grains. Question is asked. Open the abbreviation PMC. PMC means pollen mother cell. Next question is there. What is male gametophyte? Usually asked 1 mark question. Pollen grain is called male gametophyte. Actually, pollen grain itself is not a male gamete. It is a male gametophyte. Means it produces the male gamete. Male gametes are produced within pollen grains. ये हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. Now we come to next question, that is describe the structure of pollen grains. अब हम pollen grains का structure पढ़ेंगे. Pollen grains are generally spherical. They are about 25 to 15 micrometer in diameter. It has 2 layered wall. पोलन ग्रेन की वाल 2 लेयर्स की बनी होती है. आउटर लेयर को हम एक्साइन बोलते हैं. आउटर लेयर हार्ड होती है एंड इनर लेयर इज इंटाइन. अगर हम आगे फर्दर देखें, इंटाइन जो है दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ 2 सब्सटेंसेस, सेलुलोज एंड पैक्टिन. ये हमने गलत लिख दिया, सेलुलोज एंड पैक्टिन. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ सेलुलोज एंड पैक्टिन. Exine is made up of sporopollenin. It is one of the most resistance organic compound. जो sporopollenin है ये most resistance compound है. Means ये हाई टेम्परेचर पर भी सर्वाइव कर सकता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड में सर्वाइव कर सकता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कली में सर्वाइव कर सकता है, एंड इट कैन नॉट बी डाइजेस्टेड. जो स्पोरोपोलिनिन है ये डाइजेस्ट भी नहीं होता है विद द एंजाइम्स. इसीलिए स्पोरोपोलिनिन के कारण ये जो पोलन ग्रेन्स हैं दे कैन लाइव इन द सोइल एज ए फॉसिल फॉर दैट इज वेरी लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन. And it is due to this sporopollenin the pollen grains can be stored as fossils. So it is most resistant organic molecule. It can withstand high temperature, strong acids and alkalis. No enzyme can digest, degrade sporopollenin. Therefore, pollen grains can be preserved as fossils. Sometimes the questions is asked how the I have written it in the last of this page. Question: how the pollen grain can be preserved as fossils? So it is due to sporopollenin. When pollen grain is mature, अगर हम पोलन ग्रेन को देखें, व्हेन इट इज मैच्योर इट हैज़ टू सेल्स, इसमें दो ही सेल्स होती हैं, वन वेजिटेटिव सेल एंड अदर इज जनरेटिव सेल. सपोज दिस इज द पोलन ग्रेन, दिस वन, दिस इज द एक्चुअली डेवलपिंग पोलन ग्रेन है. इट इज़ द माइक्रोस्पोर हम इसको कह सकते हैं. इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ टू, दैट इज कवर्ड बाय टू लेयर्ड वॉल. आउटर लेयर इज exine and inner layer is intine. It develop this nucleus divide and it give rise to two cells like this. This is one cell and this is vegetative cell. And this one is called generative cell. This is mature pollen grain. In most of the cases, the pollen grains is released at this two-celled stage. It is also called two-celled stage. In some cases, the generative cell, this one, it may divide further. ये और divide हो जाती है. I will draw here another diagram. This is, suppose this is the two layers, exine and intine. This may divide further, generative cell may divide further to give rise to two male gametes. These are the two male gametes. Male gametes, and this one is vegetative cell. Like this. So it is three-celled stage. In most of the plants, pollen grain is released at this stage. Two-celled stage is about 60% plant, and in rest of the plants, that is 40%, the pollen grain is released in this three-celled stage. I have written here, when pollen grain is mature, it has two cells, that is one vegetative and one generative. Vegetative cell is bigger, बड़ी होती है size में, and has abundant food reserve. Food reserve is present in the vegetative cell. And large irregular shaped nucleus. Generative cell is small and float in the cytoplasm of vegetative cell. It is spindle shaped with dense cytoplasm and nucleus. So this is the structure of the pollen grain. Now, at which stage pollen grain are shed? I have told you recently that most of the pollen grains, they are released at two-celled stage. That is about approximately in 60% plant, whereas in rest of plants, that is 40%, the pollen grains are released at three-celled stage. So in over 60% of angiosperm, pollen grains are shed at two-celled stage, that is one vegetative cell and one generative cell. In the remaining species at three-celled stage, one vegetative and two male gametes. The question may be asked like this: name the cells in the two-celled pollen grain, or name the cells in the three-celled pollen grains. If it is three-celled, then you have to answer one vegetative and two male gametes, and if it is two-celled pollen grain, you have to answer one vegetative and one generative cell. In these, the generative cells, when the three-celled stage is formed, generative cell divide mitotically. Mitotically means by equational division to give rise to two male gametes. So two male gametes are formed in this one. Next question is name the disease caused by the pollen grains. Pollen grains of many species cause severe allergy and bronchial affections in some plant people, leading to asthma and bronchitis etc. For example, pollen grains of the Parthenium. जो पोलन ग्रेन्स हैं when they spread in the air, they are inhaled by some most of the people, and by some people may develop allergy, bronchial afflictions, ब्रोंकाई के अंदर सूजन हो जाती है, सूज जाते हैं, देयरफॉर दे इट में कॉज अस्थमा, जिसके कारण बार बार खांसी होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अस्थमा और ब्रोंकाइटिस. ब्रोंकाइटिस इज दैट इज स्वेलिंग इन द ब्रोंकाई, सो इट causes allergy in some of the persons. पार्थीनियम इसका एग्जाम्पल है जिसके पोलन ग्रेन एलर्जी कॉज करते हैं. सो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इतना ही करेंगे. आप सब ये नोट्स उतारते रहें कॉपी में और इनको याद करते रहें. थैंक्स.